Hello students and happy Friday. Today you'll be setting up your Bulb account. As seen in the slide, Bulb is an online portfolio system. You may have set it up in other classes, and if that's the case, this will be super easy for you, and you can be a good community member and help other students in our class get started. So from your web browser, you will want to go to RCISD Bookmarks. Click on Clever, and your bookmarks may not look exactly like mine since there's some teacher things we have, but you'll want to click on Clever. When you get to Clever, you see a screen like this, and you'll want to log in with Google. It's very important that you log in with your Royse City Google. As you can see, I have a couple of different accounts that log in on my computer. I have to be sure and click my main Royse City email. Yours will say rcbulldogs.net, teachers are rcisd.org. Once you get into Clever, you want to click the bulb icon. It may or may not be in the same order. Once again, I don't know what you see from the student side, but it's the lowercase blue B, and it has the rainbowish colors across the top. So you will click on that. And your bulb will pull up. I have already set my bulb, so it's possible that yours may ask you some questions or ask you to put some things in. Just go with the flow. I know that you've set up social media pages before or have gone to blogs, but once again, really help each other out on this. As I scroll around, I can see that I can edit the image, and later there will be a tutorial on how to make an image that looks like this that will fit better, or you can also just add a picture. It's just if it's not the right size, it may not look right. This will be your profile picture. This will be required, and you'll see the required components in a minute. But you can use a picture of yourself, or you can use an avatar like I did. You'll want to put your name, and this is your little short description of your page. So that's setting up your bulb. It's super easy. So what I need you to do now is click out of, go to your other tab where the slideshow is and look at the next step so you know what you need to do on your bulb account.